Hey everyone, what's going on in today's video? I want to show you how to connect the i12 TWS to the OnePlus 8 or OnePlus 8 Pro phone, and this is the manual pairing mode setup. So these usually may give some issues when trying to connect to an Android phone. So let's go ahead and get these out of the case to get them into pairing mode manually. So even if you open up the case lid like that, you'll see them flash like this. And what you want to do is first press the button on the back of the case, which that usually turns them off and reset them. But if that doesn't happen, then the next step is to remove them out of the case, because they should light up in red when you press the button. But if not, take them out of the case like that. And we're going to go ahead and long press the touch controls on both of them together and hold it down until they flash in red about 2 to 3 times, which means they're off. So hold it down. And when you see them flash in red like that, that means they are now off. So now we're going to go ahead and long press the touch controls, 2 of them together. And as you see them light up in blue and red the first time, let it go quickly so they can sync into each other. So let's go ahead and do that now. We'll long press it and pay attention to the lights. You'll see them light up, both of them like that. And let it go as you see that. And then you'll notice one side stops and the other side remains in the pairing mode. So that means they have synced into each other, and then one of them has now entered into pairing mode as the host earbud. So next up, we'll go into our OnePlus phone here, and we'll go into the Bluetooth settings. And the fastest way to go into the main Bluetooth settings, we'll use the drop-down menu here. Find the Bluetooth icon, and as you see it, just long press the Bluetooth icon. Go ahead and turn it on. And as you turn it on, you'll be able to select where it says pair new device. And that's what we're going to do, pair a new device. And as you do that, it's going to start searching for nearby devices. You'll see i12, and it should be only one i12 show up. And if that is what's showing right now, then you are on the right path. Go ahead and tap on it one time. It will say pairing. You will get the request. Go ahead and select pair, and then they will be fully connected, tell you active, the battery life. And then just go back and pay attention to the i12 TWS. And if they're both not blinking in any way, that means they are fully connected and ready to use. And of course, as always, if this guide was helpful, do like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you're new to my channel. And thanks for watching.